Well, another warm start out there. We have temperatures in the upper 70s that feel like they're in lower 80s as you look at our Syntex Roof Systems camera in Harker Heights. I-14 rolling smoothly, though, which is the good news. A heat advisory still in effect. Does include Waco Temple Clean. Points to the east as well as Bryan College Station. That's shaded in the pink there because feel like numbers will likely exceed 105 later on this afternoon. So we'll start off your Friday hanging around in the upper 70s. We'll get into the mid 80s by 9 o'clock, mid 90s by noon, and later on this afternoon, 101 feeling closer to 105 to 106 with plenty of sunshine still in place. So get ready for what's going to be another hot one out there. In your neighborhood, that'll look like this. 101 in Mart today, 102 Bruceville, Eddy, 102 in West and in Crawford, 102 McGregor and Valley Mills, and 101 in Waco. Down to Bell County, we'll call for 102 in Moffett, Belton, as well as 101 in Prairie Dale, 101 in Rogers, and 102 in Killeen, and across the rest of Central Texas. Those upper 90s to near triple digits look to be hanging on. And keep in mind, those feel-like numbers could be hotter in the afternoon, closer to 105 to 106. We won't have much in the way of cloud cover either. It'll try to build a little bit more this afternoon, but if you get under some, it might cool you off some, but none of it going to turn into any rain. Then we get into Saturday, very similar as well. More sunshine on the way. We'll continue that into Sunday with south winds still holding on. I think Sunday could even be a touch hotter, closer to, say, 103. That's because high pressure is strengthening this weekend. That's going to keep all the showers and thunderstorms away from us. A lot of sinking air in the atmosphere that stops the thunderstorm development. It also squeezes the atmosphere and heats us up. There are some signs that high may be weaker for the middle of the week, and if that can happen, that could open the door for a backdoor cold front to swing around that, maybe bringing a small chance of rain, say, Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Right now, all I can do is a 20% chance of rain, but it's at least a glimmer of hope that high may be breaking down for the second part of the week. Still watching the tropics closely. We do have Hurricane Ernesto out there spinning in the Atlantic. It is expected to make landfall in Bermuda here this weekend, potentially as a Category 2 storm, which is what it is right now with 100-mile-per-hour winds, and then scoot off over the open Atlantic, maybe making a brush with Nova Scotia before dissipating, turning into an extratropical system. Nothing that's going to bring us any relief, though. The heat just continues. 101 here for today, 102 for Saturday, 103 for Sunday, and 104 for Monday. We'll bring in that small chance of rain coming up by Wednesday, 101 with a 20% chance of rain. Looks like temperatures will cruise down a bit for the second half of the week. And the Brazos Valley, more of the same. We'll start off here in the upper 90s, could coast up to 100, and then trying to cool off a little bit for the second half of the week, and by a little bit, I mean down to, say, 97.